Hello, my name is Douglas Johnston. I'm the Cultural Affairs Officer for the U.S. Embassy in Addis Ababa, and today we are gathered here at the historic American Gibbi building, which was built 120 years ago here in the Mercado section of Addis Ababa. It's one of the oldest remaining buildings from that era. The reason we're here is that this is the 86th anniversary of the Yekatit 12 massacre. The massacre was a horrible event that happened over 3 days in Addis Ababa. Many tens of thousands of people were murdered. But this building, the American Gibbi, at that time housed the American diplomatic legation, headed by the American legate Cornelius V. Engert. And the reason we're here today is twofold. One is because this is the 86th anniversary of a momentous occasion, and that was that the ambassador, Van Engert, made the fateful decision to shelter 700 men, women, and children, Ethiopians, from this neighborhood in the compound of the American building, thereby saving their lives. It was an act of incredible heroism and courage, and some of their descendants will be gathered here with us today to tell us their experiences and share with us what their families went through. We are also here to celebrate the fact that the American Embassy has paid for the restoration of this building. It had fallen into some disrepair over the past 80 years, and we decided to restore it to its former glory. So we've invited several dignitaries, members of the diplomatic community and the government of Ethiopia here to commemorate the restoration of this glorious building in the hopes that it will remain a lasting symbol of peace and hope for the future. Thank you.